Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. This is a lockdown. I think this is the fourth or fifth lockdown. I know everyone's bored, literally bored. So I thought why not make a quick video of how to achieve a brown smoky eyes, subtle smoky eyes. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, please keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching. So first I'm gonna start with prepping my face with a moisturizer. Nowadays I don't know why the sides of my nose is becoming very oily. I mean not oily, sorry, dry. So I'm gonna just moisturize that part real quick and put it all the other side of my face. Next step is obviously a foundation, and I'm applying this foundation in the shade 235 from Maybelline Fit Me, and I think it is almost over, but I'm going to use it from the cap. So I'm going to dot it so, and then blend it out. Step is obviously the double concealer. As usual, I'm going to use two concealers, the LA Girl and the Maybelline Fit Me. So yeah, I'll link all the products I'm using in the description box below, so you don't have to keep searching for it. Next is baking. I know blending takes so much of time, trust me. Like especially your eyeshadows, when you have to blend, they take like so much of your time. So guys, how is this lockdown treating you? As in, these 10 days will be tough for everyone, especially me, because I'm a person who always tends to head out when I get an opportunity. So I have to stay shut and locked in my house for a couple of days now. So the next is I'm going to do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I think I have my products. Yeah. So yeah, please do stay safe, stay home, and please don't get out, because I really want this lockdown to end and Tamil Nadu to come under control at least, so that we can at least roam around freely. So that's one thing I'm sure everyone wants, because everyone wants to live a normal life right now. So the next thing we're gonna start is with the subtle brown smoky eyes, for which I'm going to use the iconic classic brown liner, which I'm going to put it as close as to the lash line, like very close to the lash line, just a little tad bit, like that's it. Okay, same thing to the other eye. And then I'm going to use this Miniso color pencil from, the variant ultra thin waterproof liner, I think number 03. Yeah, it is 03, and align that over the brown kajal you've put. This can be vague because you're anyway going to blend it out. So for the blending, I'm going to use this brush and just blend it, go in circular motions so that it blends. Okay, so this is how it should look. And then I'm going to use a little bit of eyeshadow from the Revolution palette HD Pro. I'm going to use a fluffy brush. I don't have a fluffy brush, do I? Okay, I'm just going to use this fluffy brush. Go into this brown right here. Take some and then go on top of it right here. In case you want to like intensify the waterline area, you can go in with the Huda Beauty Topaz, or you can go with actually any brown. Take the darkest brown. I can't tilt it more because my eyeshadow broke, palette is broken. So anyway, take the darkest brown. I'm taking some on this flat brush I used to blend it out, and go as possible as you can to your lash line again. See, it should be very close. Again, if you want to blend it all out, you can use this little brown here next to the dark brown. Take some, because this Huda Beauty thing has a lot of payoff. With a very light hand, just go on top very lightly. Just blend this also together. This is how it should look right now. So coming to the lower lash line is the same thing. You're going to smoke out a little. I'll probably take a less fluffier brush and more like an intense brush, which looks like so, and do the same to my waterline. So what I'm going to do right now is take this brown. Okay, anyway, take the dark brown, the darkest shade that's here, and go right on your waterline. That's right here. That's how it look. And now you're gonna fill the classic brown eye pencil onto the waterline of the lower lash. I'm going to do it on this eyes and on the upper waterline also. Just adjust the thing a little bit. And now is, if you want, you can highlight your inner corners. For that, I'll be using this brush. You can highlight the inner corners. Take some glitter and just go on like this. So now you're just going to apply some mascara, which I have to search for. Okay, got one. So you're going to apply a little mascara. Great. I think I am out of lash glue, so I'm going to make my piece with a couple of mascaras. And when I said couple of mascaras, I actually mean a couple of mascaras, because my eyelashes are too small and I need like 2-3 to make them long. First thing I'm going to do is curl my lashes. So devastating, trust me. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara first. The next thing to do is apply or put some color on your face, because your face obviously looks monochrome. So I'm going to add a little blush. I don't think you can see it on camera, can you? But at least it looks like I have something on and I don't look bad per se. I'm not going to apply it on my nose this time. I have like a ton here. The next is the highlighter. Actually, I'll put this highlighter and then I'll apply the powder. I think that will work better. I think I don't even know where my highlighter brush is. Oh yeah, I know where it is. It is still my highlighter. Come on, make it glow. Just gonna put another drop. Did you just see that? I just did this. Okay, anyway, Now it's time for some lipstick. I was actually sitting and figuring out what lipstick will look good, because yeah, maybe Kashi. Yeah, I'm gonna use the Nykaa matte to last in this shade Kashi. Maybe not like pull it off, but a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry for some time. Now that this lipstick is drying up, you all can see I look a little pale in it. I'm gonna add a little bit of hot cocoa on. It was also from Nykaa. There, better. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys learned something and at least learn to apply a subtle brown smoky eyes. Hope you liked it. Please do like, subscribe and share my videos. Please. Love you all. Please keep supporting me. Bye bye.